Hey everyone, so now I'm going to go over some more practice for matrix operations. I have a worksheet posted below in the comments. I also have the answers posted, so I highly recommend doing that if you want some practice, or you can look over the answers. But right now I'm going to go over a couple of problems in there for matrix multiplication, namely problems 4 and 8. So here's problem 4. You have two matrices that are multiplied. Step 1, determine the size. So here's a 2 by 2. Remember, size is the amount of rows times the amount of columns. Rows, columns. And then the other one's also a 2 by 2. Now what you do is you have to make sure that the middle terms match. If they match, you cross them out, and your other two terms are the dimensions of your answer. So your answer is going to be a 2 by 2. Now, we just start filling in this box. So, our first row, first column. We use the first row from the first one, the first column from the second matrix. So, first row is 3, 2. First column is -2, 1. And now we add those together. So that's -6 plus 2 is 4. Next we do first row, second column. So first row is 3, 2. Second column is 5, 5. I'm sorry, this one was a -4 because -6 plus 2. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 times 5 is 10. So 15 plus 10, 25. That was the first row, second column, so 25. Then we have second row, first column. So second row, -2, 0, and first column, -2, 1. Add them up, so 4 plus 0, 4. And last but not least, second row, second column. So second row, second column. Add them up, -10 plus 0, -10. And there's your answer. Just remember the 3 steps. Determine the size, and then write out the rows, right here, write out the columns. Rows come first, then the columns. You add them all up. Alright, now we're going to go do number 8. It's a 3 by 3 times a 3 by 3, so it's a little more complicated. I highly recommend practicing it first and seeing if you got it right. But if you want the quick solution, I'll give it to you right now. So our matrix is 2, -5, -1, 6, 0, -3, -4, 4, and 1, times 3, -3, -3, 5, 8, -2, 3, -3, 7. So now we want to figure out, first determine the size. So 1, 2, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns. 3 by 3. 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 by 3. These two match, so you cross them out, and you're left with the 3 by 3. So our answer is going to be a 3 by 3. So now we start going across the solutions. So first row, first column. First row, 2, -5, -1. First column, 3, 5, 3. And add them all up. There's already a minus sign. So we have 6 minus 25 minus 3. and that comes out to negative 22. So, first row, second column. Our first row is the same, 2, negative 5, negative 1. And our second column, negative 3, 8, negative 3. So now we add all these up. Negative 6, minus 40, plus 3. So that comes out to negative 6 minus 40, negative 46, plus 3, negative 43. And then first row, third column. First row is still the same. See how I can just copy down this part? First row. And then your second column, the second term, negative 3, negative 2, and 7. So we have negative 6 plus 10, that's 3, no, that's 4, minus 7, which is negative 3. Alright, now we move on. Second row. We just do this methodically. There's no real shortcut you can use for matrices. Although you can type them into a fun program on your computer like Mathematica. You just have to Google Mathematica and you can find a matrix solver. It's a general equation solver if you want to learn how to work that. So, second row, first column. Second row, 6, 0, negative 3. First column. So, 3, 5, 3. Add them all up. 18 plus 0 minus 9. 9. Second row, second column. I'm just going to copy down the row down here. So second column is negative 3, 8, negative 3. So that's negative 18 plus 0 plus 9, negative 9. And then first row, or second row, third column. Second row, third column. So we got negative 3, negative 2, and 7. Negative 18 plus 0 minus 21 is negative 39. Now we do the last row. Alright, so last row, negative 4, 4, 1. And we know that it'll be the same row for all three entries, so negative 4, 4, 1. And now go down the columns. First column, 3, 5, 3. So negative 12 plus 20, so that's 8, plus 3 is 11. Second column, negative 3, 8, negative 3. 32 plus 12 minus 3. That comes out to 41. Last row, or third row, and third column. Negative 3, negative 2, and 7. So we have 12 minus 8 plus 7. That comes out to 11. And here's your answer. it does take a while, and there's no shortcut you can really use. So you just have to hope on a test you don't get too long of them. Or you just practice them until you get really fast. That's all I'm doing for now. If you want to check out some more practice, just check in the comments below. I've got a worksheet posted in the answers. And I'll get to my next lecture soon.